I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word Tip.
To ask for help from an earthling is beneath us. Therefore, we shall suffer.
Why? What's the problem?
See this document? It features a page break in the text. See? But no page break is visible or invisible.
Wait, are these plans to destroy the Earth?
No. What would make you think that?
Well, I just was reading the thing and it had...
Fix my problem.
Okay. Well, what you're suffering from is a page break paragraph format. Yes, I know, it's unusual, a feature few people use, which is how it can be frustrating. Here in your document, this paragraph at the start of page 2 features a page break before attribute. From the Home tab, click the Show Hide button here and look into the text. No visible page break, no column of new paragraphs, but before the paragraph on the new page, you see a teensy black square. This is your clue.
Like I would know what that is.
Right! To fix it, remove the page break attribute from the paragraph. Click the toothpick cursor in the paragraph, and on the Home tab, click the launcher icon here in the Paragraph group. Paragraph dialog box, Line and Page Break tab. Remove the check mark by Page Break Before. Okay. And it's gone. And you can disable Show Hide as well. Clickety-click.
Miraculous.
Well, you're welcome.
Silly Humian. I did not thank you.
These items in a paragraph dialog box control how the paragraph crosses a page. Widow Orphan control prevents one line from a paragraph appearing on the preceding, Widow, or next, Orphan page. You want at least 2 lines of the paragraph, which is what this option, on by default, insists upon. Keeping with next ensures that the current paragraph sticks to the next paragraph. When this option is set, a given paragraph won't sit at the bottom of the page, but will instead hop over to the top of the next page. Use this feature to keep important paragraphs together. With the Keep Lines Together option, a paragraph isn't split between a page. Not at all. Everything is on one page or the next. And the Page Break Before option, well, now you know what it does. As usual, check out my Word books for more details.